Ari na mwihoko wa gutwika mutumia wa mbere kuheo giturwa kia mucirithania munene Profesa Patricia Kameri Mbote noria ni muciarirwo wa kaunti ya Murang'a akinyire mbere ya kamiti ya GSC eharirie gwetetera na kuonania niwe mwagiriru giturwa-ini giki.
Fact that you are a woman, a mother, a nurturer, that does bring some value when you come to the table. And I would say that I don't think that as a woman CJ that should be problematic.
Kameri Mbote noria kwa ihinda riri ni murutani wa mathomo ma kiwatho University ya Nairobi ambiriirie kurutana mwaka-ini wa 1988 umuthi ugi wake wa ihinda ria miaka 3 ukigirirwo kigeri-ini.
I'm very calm. I'm not easily rattled.
Ameba JSC makenda taririe kiria giacungiririe atige wira University ya Nairobi kuria fundithagia arutwo kothi ya watho na gicoka guthie kwambiriria thukuru ya maundu ma watho University ya Strathmore undu uria utumire ekore haceke gukirikana tacukiri ikinya riri thutha wa kwaga kuheo wira ta dean wa maundu ma watho University ya Nairobi.
I thought that going back to the University of Nairobi was it, but I still mentor Stanford scholars. When they call on me, I go to them, and it's not just Stanford. I mean Strathmore. It's also other schools.
All right.
Ihinda-inĩ riu kiuria kigi ikinya ria keria gwikuruhania na riboti ya BBI no kiyumiririe kuona ni umwe wa thomi aria maheirwo wira wa guthoma riboti ya BBI na cokia mitaririe muingi.
I did not write this document. I have engaged in the BBI in looking at how it affects certain constitutional provisions as a scholar.
Thirikari kwaga kurumira watho na kungatheria matua ma igoti ni undu ungi wiyumiririe gikaro-ini kia umuthi. Kameri Mbote akiuga uyu ni umwe wa maria kangethanira namo kungigakinya ni akaheo wira uyu na to uguo tu no ekwihotora kunyihanyihia macira maria makwamite magoti-ini.
I would be concerned about this wanton disregard of court orders, because when you have too much disregard of court orders, then the lawlessness becomes the way in which people behave, and law is actually the exception to the rule.
Muthenya wa rucio Justice Martha Koome Karambo noria kwa ihinda riri utungataga igoti-ini ria gucokia macira riko no kagere kwa gabiru. Martha Koome ari na ugi wa maundu ma kiwatho wa miaka 33 na natungata igoti-ini ria Nyeri o ndomwe na Malindi.
What steps do you think you take to ensure that if you are talking about equality, we are talking...
Giribotera Kameme TV retora kwa neno gari wa Kamau.